Canara Robeco Balanced Advantage Fund. Investing in the stock market can be like playing a game of cricket. There are highs and lows, and the right strategy may make all the difference. Did you know the BSE Sensex has grown by more than 200% over the last 10 years? However, this growth hasn't been a smooth ride. Markets move like roller coasters, with many ups and downs, influenced by unpredictable macro events. In cricket, all-rounders are the game changers. They excel in batting when the batting lineup has fallen, bowl to get crucial wickets, and take key catches when the team needs them the most. Their versatility and adaptability make them invaluable. Similarly, in mutual funds, balanced advantage funds play a pivotal role. Just as an all-rounder adapts to the need of the game, balanced advantage funds dynamically adjust the allocation between equity and debt, responding to market conditions. When equity valuations are low, balanced advantage funds can make your portfolio relatively aggressive by increasing the allocation to equities, capitalizing on potential growth opportunity. Conversely, when equity valuations are high, they adopt a conservative approach by reducing equity exposure and increasing debt allocation to reduce investment volatility. Market volatility can trigger strong emotions in investors. Greed when market performs well, and fear when they don't. These emotional biases often lead to suboptimal investment decisions, widening the gap between potential and actual returns. Balanced advantage funds may help in mitigating these biases by primarily relying on model-based asset allocation, which ensures a disciplined and dynamic rebalancing of your portfolio. This model-driven approach may help in maintaining the optimum balance between risk and return. Canara Robeco Balanced Advantage Fund (NFO) presents an opportunity to invest in a dynamic asset allocation fund. This fund helps you to mitigate investor behavior bias, enjoy dynamic portfolio rebalancing, have an actively managed debt and equity portfolio, follow a disciplined approach, achieve tax-efficient returns with equity taxation. Invest in Canara Robeco Balanced Advantage Fund, your partner in disciplined, tax-efficient investing, aiming to provide better risk-adjusted portfolio returns through dynamic asset allocation.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.